Stay hydrated, sis.
Wrist on glitter, waist on thinner. I'ma show you how to bag a 8-figure. Face on tidy, pockets on thicker. You better get the card and make it swipe like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about this hair, honey. This is Luvme hair. I ordered a U-part wig this time because I have been on quarantine like most, and I don't feel like having a full wig, but now things are opening back up. And you know, I wanted to have something quick to just pop on and pop off so I can go out and, you know, social distance a little bit but still be cute. So I wanted to try it. I did buy this wig with my own money. I wanted to make sure the company was legit, and you know, sometimes we see that hair is better when it's sent to people and not as good when people buy it. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into it. Hey guys, so I did just want to say a couple things as I show you putting this on my head and styling it. You can see I'm putting the clips on, and it's kind of hard to grip your braids at first, but once you do it a couple times, you'll get it. Right here, this is my favorite holding spray that is not like super harsh on the hair. It's really good for weave and like blending your hair. It's called Essations. I'll link it below. Okay, and obviously I forgot how to curl hair. Okay, and this is how much leave out I left out. You can leave out however much you want, but this is what I left out because I wanted to be able to wear like my hair behind the ears and have some coverage on the sides too. just seal my hair with some edge wax. This is the She's Balm one, so I'll make sure to link that one below. It just helps get rid of the flyaways. Hey guys, so I wanted to come back and give you guys an update on, I was about to say this hair. I had this hair in, I wore it for maybe like 2 to 3 weeks, so I want to start incorporating this into my channel because I feel like you don't really know the full extent of wearing some hair until you really wear the hair. So I can't tell y'all, oh, this is good just because I curled it once, because right out the pack, any hair is going to be good. So I've washed this hair, I've curled this hair, I've cut this hair, and I'm gonna just tell y'all the real about this hair. So there's 2 things I didn't like about this hair. One, the hair is too thin. I don't know if there's not enough bundles in it or whatever, but I did have to end up sewing an extra bundle into the hair, and I feel like if I'm paying my money, I shouldn't have to do that. But you know, to each his own. Love me. I guess y'all didn't love me enough to give me enough hair in my bundle. So the other thing that I didn't like about this hair, so the other thing that I didn't like about this hair is the fact that if I order body wave hair, I assume that it'll hold a curl, it will at least like fall into a nice curl or something and like give me a little wave or something like that. But sis, no, this hair is basically straight hair. This hair does not hold a curl at all. It's body wave hair. It came out the pack really nice and curly, but it doesn't hold a curl. Those are the 2 main things that I didn't like about this hair. Other than that, the hair is nice. It's still flowing. It's real nice. But those are my main 2. What I did like about the hair is that it's real convenient. You don't have to sit for a sew-in. You can put your hair in any type of braids, put this on, and it's like you have a full sew-in. I'm gonna put some pictures. I'll just put pictures up while I'm finishing up talking, so you guys can see what I was talking about. I think I had some of the hair being thin, but I'm not sure. I don't remember if I took any when I first installed this. Well, you guys saw me first install it in the beginning of the video, but I like the convenience of this hair, and I like that it blends well. I would say that I'm natural. It probably would blend better with permed hair or relaxed hair. Even if I probably got my hair professionally done, it probably would have blended better. But for the most part, it blends well and it looks like you got your hair professionally done or like a sew-in. So all in all, I wouldn't say this was the best hair or the best experience I've had, but it wasn't terrible. I would probably buy this hair again, to be honest, and just be prepared to sew it. I would more so buy the hair for the construction of a U-part wig because I don't feel like making a U-part wig myself. I think that's all I had to say about this hair, so I will see you guys in my next video.